Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create an Adsense account for your YouTube channel. First of all, go to YouTube Studio and click on Earn button from the left hand panel. Scroll down and you will be if you are eligible, you will see the option to sign up for Adsense. Click Start to begin. You will be redirected to Google AdSense. Click sign up and make sure you are using the same Google account as your YouTube channel. Enter your YouTube channel URL, select your country, agree to the terms and click create account. Next, fill in your payment information correctly. This is how you will get paid. After submitting, YouTube will review your AdSense application. This can take a few days. Once approved, your channel can start earning from ads. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.